Hi there, students. To walk on eggshells, to be on eggshells, walking on eggshells, this is an idiom. This means you need to be very, very careful in order not to upset or offend somebody. When he's in a really bad mood, then we need to be careful because we're walking on eggshells. Yeah, it's a difficult and dangerous situation. We're liable to get shouted at. We are walking on eggshells. We need to act with great care because he's going to get really upset. Yeah, the boss is really angry with us, so we're walking on eggshells whenever he's around. So, eggshells. Well, this is an eggshell, and if you walk on these are very easy to break. Yeah, so if you're walking on eggshells, then they're going to break. You're going to break something, and that's the idea. I think you're implying that the person's patience is eggshell thin. It's very sensitive. So we're on eggshells here because we're likely to upset all sorts of different people. Yeah, we have to be careful because we are on eggshells here. We need to be very diplomatic lest somebody be upset. By what we've done. Okay, and this is the idea when you're walking on eggshells. Whenever he's here, I feel like I'm walking on eggshells around him. Okay, he's a very mercurial character, and one is always treading on eggshells, walking on eggshells when he's around. Yeah, there are some subjects that are probably best not discussed in class or in pubs because normally you're walking on eggshells, and maybe these subjects can upset people, or maybe people have such radically different opinions that you're going to upset someone. So if you're walking on eggshells, don't mention that subject. Okay, so the eggshell, as I said, this is your eggshell, which is very easy to break. Yeah, as you see, the shell, this is the shell of the egg. So in what situations do you think you're walking on eggshells? Let's see. The company is in a dire financial situation. It's in dire straits, and it's walking on eggshells. The slightest thing will bring it down. The smallest thing will cause a problem for it. So yes, with him when he's in a bad mood, you're walking on eggshells. Okay, let's see, formality, to walk on eggshells. Walking on eggshells, I think I'm going to give it a 4. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, maybe just about in a semi-formal writing, but definitely not in something very formal. Okay, so to walk on eggshells, to exercise extreme caution. Yeah, when he's got that look on his face, we know we're walking on eggshells, and we need to be very careful and get everything absolutely right. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Walking on eggshells, walk on eggshells, be on eggshells, tread on eggshells.